Here we have my client's 1969 Porsche 912 that was originally owned by the same owner for 31 years when I look at the documentation that came with the car. I believe it was a California car, but then did come back to Florida at some point. And in 2018, somebody, whether it was the original owner or the new owner, did a full restoration on it. And it then ended up back in California because that's where my client picked it up from. Now the restoration was, they did a pretty good job. I mean, as far as I could tell, this car seems to be correct when it comes to, the technical specs. Just when I look at the paint, which again is not bad, but when I look at the bodywork, there are some issues in the bodywork itself. So underneath the paint, some things that could not be taken out because the bodywork was just not properly finished, in my opinion. But I did a paint correction, and the car then received two layers of ceramic coating. As you can tell, everything is correct in the car. Beautiful interior. The engine compartment is just as clean and as pretty. Let's take a look here. Everything truly seems to be to proper spec. All the stickers were replaced. Also, as some of you know, and some of you may not know, the 912 was a slightly cheaper version of the 911, which the 911 did come with the flat 6, and these 912s came with a 4-cylinder. So I think it was more of a entry-level car, you could say. Here's the folder with all the documentation. Pretty car, I believe. The bodywork, unfortunately, if it had been better, would have resulted in a more pristine car when it comes to the paintwork, actually. But that's just my opinion, because I think I look at cars with a little bit more of a critical eye than the average person. And I think all of us detailers look at cars the same way. So this car is going to be sitting right next door in one of these bays most of the time. It's not going to be driven a whole lot. The owners are not even here all the time. I'll be taking care of it as long as it sits here. And from time to time, I'm sure I'll be taking some additional pictures and maybe some videos and keep up with how the car gets used.